Now, there are a few different ways to actually insert a text box in your Google site. One is by very simply dragging and dropping or clicking on this text box button over on the right-hand side, and it'll create a text box where I can say, "Welcome to my website." Oops. And I can change the type of text, so I can say title, I can say heading, and this will change the formatting and size. And this is all completely based upon your theme. So you can't change your font because the font is a collection of the theme that you chose in the theme library. If you change your theme, it will change your font along with your colors and everything else you got going on. There's another way also. If you simply double click anywhere on your website, you get this insert button, which mimics these options up here at the top right corner of your insert toolbar. So I can hit the text button here and I'll see the same type of text box. I can change the size of my text. So notice that when I try to drag this, I can actually see that Google Sites divides this into sections. So I can actually move this around and it makes it very easy to keep things nice and centered. So I can automatically format, say, a centered welcome title, like so. I can, of course, change whether I want it to be bolded or italicized, and I can even add a link to embed this to maybe another page or another website. If I want to delete something, I can very simply hit the delete button here or on the left-hand side. I can also duplicate, so if I want to copy something that I already have, there's a duplicate button, and I can change the background of any feature including text. And again, this is based upon my theme. So if I wanted to emphasize something, like a title banner like that, I can actually use this color to change my text feature. There's also a collapsible text button. This is where you can put a title, so for example, agenda, and then I can say maybe list something like welcome to my site, understanding the workshop, viewing tutorials. And once I finish typing this, all I can actually see is agenda unless I hit the little drop down. So that makes my text collapsible. And again, it's a good idea to actually see what that looks like in the preview button so you can see that there's my welcome message, there's my agenda, and I can actually collapse that text box. I can also use the default layouts, and I get into greater detail in the next video about layouts, but the layouts actually allow me to drag in a text box, usually along with some type of media, and you can edit these layouts and move them around, and that is what the next video is all about.